Each year, we aim to highlight the cultural creative industries, discovering emerging talents whilst establishing business connections and forming new global partnerships. This year, BDG 2023 Business Conference looks to highlight the theme Economic Growth in the Age of Modern Day Entrepreneurism. Here, it gives us an opportunity to explore innovative ideas and techniques with a focus on four CCI notable professions of the art: music, film, poetry, and athletics. And then there's gender equality, sustainability, and diversity. We will better highlight these conversations in our workshops and panel discussions. Stay connected. We are International Star.